How to activate your PostOffice credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your PostOffice credit card online. To do so, you will need to visit the official website of PostOffice credit card activation page. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar, you need to type postoffice.co.uk. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of PostOffice credit card services. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you will find login button. Go ahead and click on this login button right here and you will be presented with some more options. From this banking sector, you need to click on this credit card option. Once you click on this credit card, now you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be presented with the login interface. Here, before activating your credit card, first of all, you will need to sign into your PostOffice credit card account. Here in this first box, you will need to enter your email address or the username. After you enter your username, in the second box, enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. If in case you don't remember your username or password, you may also recover them by clicking on those links below the sign-in option. I have forgotten my username or I have forgotten my password based on what you need. Now once doing that, you need to click on this sign in button and then you will be able to log into your account. If you are not the existing user of PostOffice credit card, you will first need to register on it. For that, click on this register button at the very bottom and follow the instructions. Now after entering all your credentials, click on the sign in button right here to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will need to navigate to the section for managing your credit card. You will need to look for an option credit card or account services and there you need to click on activate a card. Then you will need to follow the prompts to enter your card details such as your card number, the expiration date and the CVV or the security code. It is the 3-digit number which you can find on the back of your card. Now after entering all the necessary information, now you can submit your form. And after a while, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is now active and is ready to use. Now you can access your credit card. So by following these steps, you should be able to activate your PostOffice credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.